Alright, so I just took a really crispy piece. This is one of the thinner slices, so as you can see, it's like super crunchy in texture. Give a rating on how close it tastes to actual meat. I would say on a scale from 1 to 10, more like an 8. The seasoning came out really good. You can definitely taste the garlic. I left some cloves which were whole so the juices could penetrate it more, and I left it on top. That along with this seasoning gave it a nice chicken type of taste to it. But there's no chicken and it's vegan, and so I approve. So if you guys ever want to have some sort of plant-based meat which tastes similar to, I guess you could say, Mexican or Spanish food, this recipe, I'll make this again. This is really good. This is really good. The thicker slices, and this is what it looks like. Yummy, yummy. And when you leave it thin like this, it gives you the impression of something that's like chicken-like, I guess you could say. The consistency, the texture, it's a little bit crunchy in the sides. In the middle, it's tender. You don't really taste the soy in it. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more cooking videos that are plant-based, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your push notifications. I'm going to be trying to post every week. I'm going to be doing some more cooking videos, some more fitness videos, and advice. So thank you for watching, and yeah.